mossies. And that thing, when it bites you, it makes you itch. So back in the day we used to fight them. Very gruesome. Take the lamp interrogation method for instance. We wait until the mosquito landed, usually bloated with our blood just like it left an all-you-can-eat buffet. Then we snap it like a M16 agent. And then there was the fan of doom method. That thing could suck a blowball right out of a ranger bakkie, making that mossy fights for his life like a Farley fights for ice cream in Margate. And once that mossy hits that fan, it gave him a few PKs, Pakistan knockout, all just to avoid itching. Nowadays it's much easier. All you need is a dingy, yes, a little finny majigger you plug into your phone. This thing then heats up and you apply it to the mosquito bite and it takes the itch right away. It's so easy, even children can use it, my bro. If you want one, you're gonna get it from Heated South Africa. You can contact them 079 187 0588 and fear no mossy bite ever again. It works magic also on bee stings and horseflies. Also available on Takealot and on Amazon.